Every great perfume begins with nature's most precious aromatic raw materials, fresh flowers harvested at the precise moment of peak fragrance intensity.
Perfume. Jasmine Absolute is one of the most precious and expensive natural fragrance ingredients on Earth, requiring approximately 8
distillates. Steam distillation is the oldest and most respected extraction method, gently capturing volatile aromatic molecules. Solvent extraction captures fragrance molecules that steam distillation would destroy, producing the concentrated absolutes essential for luxury perfume formulation. 1 kilogram of Jasmine Absolute represents the concentrated aromatic essence of over 7 million individual hand-picked jasmine flowers. Headspace analysis captures the actual fragrance molecules emitted by living flowers, giving perfumers a precise molecular blueprint of nature's own compositions. Natural essential oil authentication is critical because the extreme value of rare materials creates economic incentive for adulteration and counterfeiting.
Synthetic aroma molecules expand the perfumer's creative palette far beyond what nature provides, enabling entirely new olfactory experiences.
Ambergris, a rare natural substance, is one of the most valuable materials in perfumery, prized for its unique ability to enhance and extend the longevity of other fragrance notes. The perfumer's organ is the creative command center, containing hundreds of natural and synthetic aromatic ingredients. A finished luxury perfume formula may contain over 200 individual ingredients, each one contributing a specific olfactory role to the overall composition architecture. The creative process involves evaluating hundreds of trial variations, each one a slight modification of ingredient proportions, searching for the perfect olfactory balance. Each blotter strip represents hours of creative work. The perfumer evaluates them repeatedly over days and weeks as the fragrance evolves and reveals its full character over time. The formula notebook contains the precise recipes that define multi-million-dollar fragrance franchises, making them the transition from creative bench formula to production-scale compound represents the critical moment where art transforms into industrial manufacturing. Production compounding requires absolute precision because even tiny proportional deviations at large scale can noticeably alter the fragrance character. Ingredient addition order matters because certain aromatic molecules interact differently depending on the sequence and temperature at which they are combined. The finished compound contains the complete fragrance formula at full concentration, typically representing 20 to 30% of the final consumer perfume product. Maturation allows the complex mixture of aromatic molecules to achieve chemical equilibrium, producing a smoother, more refined, and more cohesive fragrance character over time.
Some luxury fragrances mature for up to 6 months before they are considered ready for dilution and bottling.
Dilution transforms the intense fragrance concentrate into the consumer-strength product by precisely blending it with pharmaceutical-grade denatured ethyl alcohol. Perfumer's alcohol must be absolutely neutral and odorless. Any trace of solvent character would contaminate the fragrance. Eau de Parfum contains 15 to 20% concentrate. Eau de Toilette contains 5 to 10%. Post-dilution maceration ensures the fragrance concentrate fully integrates with the alcohol carrier, producing the smoothest possible fragrance projection.
Chill filtration guarantees the fragrance remains absolutely crystal clear even when stored in cold retail environments or bathroom cabinets.
Fragrance color is both a quality specification and a brand identity element. Consumers expect their favorite fragrance to look identical in every bottle. The olfactory evaluation panel confirms the finished production batch perfectly matches the original creative benchmark approved by the master perfumer. A great fragrance reveals its full beauty progressively over hours, with distinct top, heart, and base note phases. Formal fragrance batch release requires both analytical specification compliance and personal olfactory approval from the senior evaluation panel. The precious liquid, now perfected through months of creation, compounding, maturation, dilution, maceration. The perfume bottle is far more than a container. It is a luxury art object that communicates the brand's identity and justifies the premium price positioning. The bottle mold captures every design detail, including faceted crystal-cut patterns, brand embossing, and precision-ground atomizer threads. Annealing is essential for luxury glass. Bottles that cool too quickly develop invisible internal stresses that cause catastrophic spontaneous fracture.
Fire polishing creates the characteristic mirror-like surface clarity that distinguishes premium glass from standard industrial containers. Every luxury glass bottle must meet cosmetic quality standards far exceeding those of standard packaging glass.
But metallic finishes, including gold, silver, and rose gold plating, transform standard glass into the luxury presentation expected at premium price points.
Premium glass bottles require individual protection during handling to prevent any surface marking that would be visible on the retail shelf.
Atomizer performance directly affects the consumer's fragrance application experience, making spray quality a critical component specification.
The filling line operates under controlled cleanroom conditions because any contamination of the fragrance or the bottle interior would be immediately visible to the luxury consumer.
The crimping process permanently secures the atomizer pump to the bottleneck, creating a tamper-evident seal.
Every individual bottle is spray tested at production speed, rejecting any unit with a defective atomizer before it reaches the consumer. The decorative cap contributes significantly to the luxury shelf presence and consumer unboxing experience. Human visual inspection is irreplaceable for luxury products because automated systems cannot fully assess the subjective cosmetic quality that luxury consumers demand.
Only bottles that pass every visual inspection criterion proceed to the final luxury packaging operation. At this quality level, defects invisible to the casual observer are grounds for immediate rejection. Every bottle represents the convergence of glass-making artistry, fragrance science, and precision engineering.
The luxury packaging operation combines automated precision with human white glove handling to create the premium unboxing experience consumers expect.
The security seal provides tamper evidence and brand authentication for the consumer. Cellophane overwrapping provides the final protective layer and contributes to the premium sealed presentation.
Distribution handling for luxury fragrance requires extra care to prevent any cosmetic damage to the premium packaging.
The completed package represents months of work, from flower field to perfumer's organ to factory floor.
Premium fragrance palletizing is performed manually to ensure the absolute gentlest handling.
The finished goods vault holds millions of dollars of premium fragrance inventory under temperature-controlled, secure conditions. Luxury fragrance distribution uses climate-controlled, secure transport to protect both product quality and high-value inventory.
Every case receives a numbered security seal, providing chain of custody authentication. Travel retail represents a significant luxury fragrance channel, where consumers purchase premium products in international transit.
Gift sets drive seasonal sales spikes and introduce consumers to complementary products within the fragrance franchise.
Limited editions create brand excitement and collector demand through exclusive bottle designs and restricted production quantities. Final random auditing provides the last human verification before luxury products enter the distribution chain. Anti-counterfeiting technology protects both the brand's intellectual property and the consumer's purchase confidence. Retail display design is tested at the factory to ensure the brand presentation meets luxury standards before deployment.
Retail visual merchandising directly impacts consumer purchase decisions at the prestige beauty counter.
International luxury goods export requires extensive documentation for customs compliance across jurisdictions.
Each departing vehicle carries millions of dollars of premium fragrance inventory to the world's finest retail destinations. From the control center, production engineers monitor every filling, assembly, and packaging operation simultaneously. Compounding precision determines whether the production batch perfectly matches the master perfumer's creative vision. Comprehensive operational overview at a glance.
Cross-contamination between different fragrances would be immediately detectable by consumers, making changeover cleaning critical.
Daily review ensures every fragrance batch meet the master perfumer's exacting sensory standard.
The master perfumer's factory visit for major launches demonstrates the direct connection between creative vision and industrial execution.
The master perfumer's approval is the ultimate quality endorsement, confirming the factory has faithfully translated the creative vision into millions of identical bottles.
When darkness falls, the maturation cellars continue their slow molecular transformation, and the filling lines maintain their precise rhythm. In the darkness, hundreds of fragrance batches slowly mature, their molecular compositions gradually evolving toward perfect harmony. One solitary chemist watches over millions of dollars of maturing fragrance inventory through the night. Thousands of luxury bottles march through the darkness toward their gift box homes. Behind these walls, some of the world's most desired luxury products are created. Pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness maintained continuously, even in darkness. An eternal river of liquid luxury flows through the darkness.
From raw flower to sealed luxury bottle, the artistry is extraordinary. Every bottle receives the same meticulous individual attention. One tiny bottle. Months of creation, centuries of tradition, a single drop of luxury. This facility transforms nature's most precious aromatic treasures into the world's most desired luxury products.
It all begins here, in the flower fields, where nature creates the raw materials that will become the world's finest fragrances.
The factory's products ultimately arrive at the world's most prestigious retail destinations.
The unboxing moment is the culmination of years of design, months of production, and a lifetime of brand heritage.
And so the eternal cycle begins once more. Flowers arriving, bottled luxury departing. From above, the connection is clear. Nature's beauty transformed into bottled luxury.
The meticulous chemistry of fragrance creation begins once more at the precision balance. Every system creating, filling, and packaging the luxury fragrance factory at its magnificent capacity.
The factory's ultimate purpose, creating moments of beauty, confidence, and connection through fragrance.
From intimate personal fragrance to home scenting to body care, the portfolio spans every facet of luxury aromatic living.
The complete journey from petal to perfume, visible in a single breathtaking frame.
The brand's heritage spans generations, each era's bottle telling the story of its time while carrying the same commitment to excellence. The moment of application is where industrial artistry becomes personal emotion.
The distillation techniques are centuries old. The passion for perfection is timeless. New artisans arrive to sustain the perpetual creation of beauty. One perfectly measured drop, containing molecules from thousands of flowers. The essence of luxury. As day transitions to night, the work of creation and production continues without pause.
The last bottle of the shift receives identical precision and care as the first. Copper, glass, and gold. The three elemental materials of the perfumer's craft.
The finished product. A complete luxury experience sealed in a single box.
The art of perfume. Flowers, chemistry, and human passion. Behind it, a breathtaking empire.